Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a DIY um, car memory saver. It's when you switch out a battery, you know that likely that your car, whatever is memorizing your car, will be gone, and like your radio station or the setting that you did in your car will be gone. If you do a replacement of the battery, right? So this thing is a method that you can save those settings when you're replacing your battery. So basically, just hook up another battery to it and let the system continue to have power while you changing your battery. And this is going to the ODB-II OBD-II port. So basically, you can buy this online, and usually it costs you about maybe 10 or 15 bucks. But you know, I like to save money, so what I did is I have some spare, clamp right here at home that I can use, and all I need to buy is the ODB-II kind of plug. So this thing on eBay costs or Amazon costs probably like $5. So I can use this. So basically you got this ODB plug right here. So I need to use this. I guess this is the male one, right? And all you need to do is right here you got the 16 pin. And what you want to do is the two pin 4 and 5 right here, the middle and the top, the two of them, that's the ground wire. And then the last one right here, that's pin 16, that's gonna be the power. So all you need to do is, what I would do is, we slide this off, find the cable for this 2 pin and this one, and then the 2 top pin is gonna go into the ground, and then the 16 pin is gonna go into the positive right here, positive. So if you connect that together like this, and you got yourself a DIY car memory saver cable. So when you get it online, if you get the whole pack when they did it for you already, is like I said, it's cost like about $10 or $15. But if you did it DIY, then you can extend this cable, because they don't give you this long cable. You can extend it to whatever you want. So let's cut this off. See the 16 cable in here? So in order to find the pin 4 and pin 5, all you need to do is use the voltmeter. Go to continuity, use continuity, and find the cable. So pick the one with the beep setting, the sound. See? So you find this cable right here. So all you do is cut it out and find it. So I'm gonna skip this part because it's gonna take a while, and I don't want you to just stare at me trying to peel out the cable. So I'm gonna stop here, and then I'll see you later when I find it. Okay? Right. So here I am again. So after I find out what cable it was, this red one is the 16 pin, and this kind of light blue and orange, light orange, So this both are pin 4 and pin 5, so both of these are ground. So I have to go through my horrible soldering skill. I finally hooked this up. This is gonna be the negative, and this is gonna be to the positive. So I did a little extension, so it's gonna get a little farther. So another bad soldering skill of mine. And now all I need to do is slip this sing wrap all the way down here, and then heat it up and get it cover this too. And with the rest of the cable, what I did is I don't want them to touch each other because the pin is still here. So what I did is I cut them in different length. So if I cut them in different length, they won't touch each other and create some kind of problem when I plug into the OBD-II port. So let me wrap this up, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I string wrap both of the wire. Same thing with the other side. Same thing with the other side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make this nice and neat. So I'll go ahead and string wrap another one on top of it like this. Okay, let's do this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. So get all this cable back into the cover or the shell, the rubber shell, and get this string wrap on top of it. Okay, and let's do this first. Let's do this first. Okay, now I'm gonna do this side. Extra string wrap on top of the old one to make sure it looks nice and neat. Okay, let's pull this over here. Okay. String wrap. So now, as you can see, the whole cable is done. It looks pretty nice and neat. And let's test the pin, make sure it's right. Continuity. Okay, let's go pin 4 and 5. Pin 4 and 5. Work or ground. You can see pin 4 and 5, and pin 16 is right here. As you can see, it's working. And if I touch all the other pin, none should work. See, it's not working, all the other pin. So I got the cable and the connection, everything correct, and that's it. So this is how you make a DIY memory saver, or you said car memory saver when you replacing a battery. So all you need to do is, now if you need to replace your battery, you plug this into your OBD-II plug, and then the other end you find anything that's 12 volt, like an extra car battery or maybe a motorcycle battery, and you climb it into the negative and the positive, and then now just leave it like that, and now your car will always have power. And now you can do whatever you need to do with replacing your car battery. And after you're done replacing it, and then you can unplug this, and this method will save all the setting in your car battery, in your car, like your radio station and all the setting you did, so the car don't have to relearn the whole process. So like I said, this cable cost me about $5, and I got this thing extra at home, and all this cable just laying around the house, you can find it. And it's for me it's a lot cheaper than buy whatever they give you with the 2 feet of cable. This thing is almost like 5 feet. So in the end, this is what you're gonna get, and I'm very happy of what I did, and it looked pretty nice. I mean, as save maybe a couple of bucks, and I like to do stuff by myself, so I know what I'm doing. Sometimes I will learn new stuff while I'm doing it. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys find it helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video. Okay, all right, bye.